Understanding the meaning of elderly. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss, the word elderly. We will delve into its meanings, uses, and some examples to help you understand how to use this word in your daily conversations. The term elderly refers to an older person or people in their old age. Typically, it is used to describe individuals who are around the age of 65 or older. The word conveys a sense of respect and acknowledgement of the life experience that comes with age. Elderly is often used as an adjective to describe a person or a group of people. For example, she is an elderly woman who lives next door. The elderly couple decided to move to a quieter neighborhood. However, it can also be used as a noun to refer to older people in general. For instance, the city has implemented programs to assist the elderly during the winter months. It's important to use elderly with sensitivity, as some individuals might prefer other terms such as seniors, older adults, or elder adults. There are also phrases and idioms that use the word elderly, such as, "The elderly of today have witnessed immense changes in technology over the decades." A home for the elderly refers to a residential facility specifically designed for older adults. Understanding these common phrases will help you in using elderly more naturally in your conversations. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of the word elderly for you. Remember, it is a term that carries respect for the life experience and wisdom that comes with age. Feel free to go back and rewatch any parts of the video if you need to, and don't hesitate to leave any questions or comments below. Until next time, happy learning!